Welcome to this presentation on the two latest additions to Epson's comprehensive range of business scanners, the WorkForce DS-530 and the DS-570w. Manual processes are labour-intensive. There's a high risk of error and chance that data will be lost. It's inefficient in terms of space, time spent searching out files, and costs for storage. There's increased scrutiny over document condition compliance, as well as making sure that there are steps in place for disaster recovery. This process-driven approach gives organisations a single point of failure that can see their archives wiped out in one fell swoop. The move towards more centralised, data-driven approaches to handling archives isn't just a nice idea, it's a necessity. Businesses that simply stay as they are risk becoming uncompetitive. They find it harder to discern the changes in the markets and spot new innovations, and eventually they lose sight of changes that could give them better business opportunities. Instead, business is now about problem solving. It's about organisations finding ways to meet their needs in the most efficient and cost-effective way possible. Needs like increasing organisation growth, improving profitability, attracting and retaining customers, innovating and new market products, improving infrastructure and operation, attracting and retaining staff, improving efficiency, implementing reporting tools and analytics, reducing costs, expanding into new markets. What organisations need is a solution that will help them with the challenges of a modern business, as well as helping them steer away from the consequences of not developing the way they manage their archives. Fortunately, thanks to Epson, help is at hand. What organisations need is a piece of hardware that helps them solve these problems. Introducing the WorkForce DS-530 and DS-570w from Epson, the latest in a long line of innovative business scanners. Both models have been designed to address key needs business customers are facing in their everyday working environments. Both the 530 and 570w are designed to be intelligent. They have intelligent features that improve efficiency, accuracy, and data reliability. They need to be versatile, and Epson scanners are highly versatile with a wide array of media handling options. They need to be flexible. These scanners have flexible connectivity, and they need to be integrated with software for image enhancement and document management. But how will they change the way businesses scan in the office? And why do we at Epson think that the 530 and 570w will be the answer to business scanning problems? Because business isn't neat piles. The focus of many businesses is in their core competencies, ensuring they meet the obligations of investors, stakeholders, and customers. Administration is seen as timely, costly, and a burden that impedes growth. The result is that many businesses never really get on top of their administrative commitments. They do what they need to do to keep their businesses functioning, but often administrative staff are overstretched and left using equipment that doesn't allow them to do their jobs efficiently. But having a well-running administration department is key to a business's success, and that starts with the right equipment. Both the DS-530 and 570w have been engineered to process large volumes of material quickly and efficiently, at speeds of up to 35 pages per minute. And Epson have designed both of these models to have as little intervention from employees as possible, leaving them to do the other important administrative duties while the scanners take care of everything else. The active separation roller system eliminates double feeds and ensures that every sheet is scanned. The double feed detection skip handles tricky documents like envelopes or papers with post-its without needing employee intervention. If your customers have delicate files in the industry, there's the industry-first slow mode that reduces the roller speed on delicate documents, which ensures documents will be captured accurately without damaging the original file. And all of this in addition to the auto scan mode, which allows a vast amount of documents to be processed in manageable amounts. All of this allows your customers to have accurate and reliable scan material in the most efficient way possible. And as a result, it gives them an administrative advantage over their competitors, which has a business-wide impact. Let's have a closer look at each of these innovative features that will revolutionize the way your customers scan documents. The active separation roller system helps prevent tedious document double feeds, ensuring every piece of paper is scanned accurately and captured at the highest quality, thanks to the onboard sensors or manual input of paper lengths. Epson is the first in the industry to develop a slow mode for its scanners. Users are put in control of the speed of the scan, which enables long or fragile documents to be scanned accurately and without damage. Business is rarely just A4, but the optional flatbed conversion kit for the DS-530 and 570w provides an ideal solution to allow users to scan everything from books and brochures to passports and driving licenses. Organisations now receive an array of different media that form business processes. Thin delivery notes and invoices all form part of an accounting process. Applications, passports and driving licenses are used in HR. Hotel invoices, fuel receipts and meal vouchers form part of expense claim processing. These departments need a versatile scanner to handle these documents efficiently without damaging them, and at the same time ensures that the data is captured in perfect detail for accurate record keeping. The DS-530 and 570w do just that, with incredible flexibility for a wide array of media handling options. The 530 and 570w can handle media up to 6 meters long and as thin as 27 GSM and as much as 413 GSM. And we've made it even easier to scan A3 documents. Both machines instantly recognize A3 paper and automatically stitch your document back together digitally once the scan is complete. But it's the optional flatbed scanner that makes scanning all types of documents incredibly easily. This easy-to-use addition allows you to scan documents like passports or stamps and books without the need to extend your scanner fleet with additional models. These highly versatile machines can not only process a vast array of documents, but they do so with incredible accuracy and all without damaging the original document. Auto Scan Mode enables the processing of a vast number of documents as manageable amounts, enabling them to be scanned as one file. Large batches of documents are inserted and the scanner scans automatically without the need for intervention, managing the physical and digital process simultaneously. Paper archives are difficult to manage. Files can get misplaced or damaged, and it makes searching for data a time-consuming and often inefficient task. But often large pieces of hardware can further add to administrative challenges as their footprint takes up valuable desk space. Scanning at the point of receipt mitigates data loss because documents aren't sent round a building, and it allows information to be captured into the business immediately. Having compact scanners like the DS-530 or 570w with flatbed option allows the widest range of media to be scanned straight into document and content management systems, and all with a small footprint. And the integration options on offer are constantly evolving to meet the needs of modern businesses and make life even easier. So with the 570w, you can control your scans from your mobile device. You can select your settings, view and manage images, and use basic edit functions, all from your smartphone or tablet. But this evolution doesn't stop at simply digitizing archives. Organizations are looking for more ways to optimize communication and the sharing of data. They're also looking to make processes more efficient, and at the same time they need to make sure their hardware is future-proof. The DS-530 and 570w answer these needs with some key pieces of functionality. Not only is scanning easy with the DS-530 and 570w, but with one touch, files are sent to Epson's Document Capture Pro suite and stored in a centralized location that allows for multiple departmental collaboration. An Epson Scan 2.0 ensures the quality of the scan files through features such as deskew and auto-rotate to make sure that the scan files are providing accurate resources for teams to draw on. There are also efficiency gains to be had when separating and storing files, such as barcode recognition and zonal OCR software, which allows files to be categorized and archived simply and easily without the need for manual intervention. And Epson hardware supports nearly all document management systems, making integrating into your current systems a simple task. Modern environments need to connect to scanners in new ways, things like network scanning and controlling devices by tablet or smartphone. The DS-530 and 570w have all this functionality built in, as well as having a variety of connection options, such as super speed USB 3.0, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. And the result of all this is that documents are centrally captured, handled, automatically identified, automatically processed, all with minimal human intervention. The processing of all document becomes the processing of only the exceptions. And with the data, we allow the information to be delivered in secure ways, allowing this information to be accessed, integrated, and analysed. And there's never been a better time to sell scan solutions to your customers. The market is growing because the need is out there. Between Q4 of 2015 and Q4 of 2016, Epson grew an impressive 38%, whilst our market share grew from 5.8 to 6.6%. So, to summarise, the DS-530 and 570w from Epson provide businesses with an intelligent, versatile, flexible and integrated scan solution. And this makes the DS-530 or 570w an excellent addition to businesses in a number of environments, helping organisations to capture the true value of business documents as they continue to develop and grow. Thank you for watching this presentation from Epson.